get ready with me to go to the market. I just had my bath. Inches. But my ogo may look weird, but I don't care. There's heat. So, yeah. Pomade. As much so that I won't be looking. Moisturize your face in case you see man. Your legs. Then moisturize your lips. And I'll use lip gloss more. I'm not ready for that. Look pretty. I'm coming. Yes, ma. Okay, so these are bracelets that my children that I teach in church made for me. So I'm gonna rock them. Spray perfume. I'm already rushing. They're already shouting my name up and down. Okay, so I'm good to go. Got ready and on time before my parents start shouting at me. So my church is having love feast where families will come together, eat, marry and enjoy and just be thankful for the year. So my family has been assigned to make pepper soup. We are going to buy goats. We are going to one of the most nastiest markets I've ever been in my life. So have popcorn and already eating multitasks. So I'm just going to relax and eat it on the way. The weather is so hot. Anyways, yeah, come along with me to shop for goats.
What are my brother?
Goats. That's my dad. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. They don't do multi-size though, they used to do them before. No, it's just like chewing gum and it's just yeah.
Enter motor, Joe.
Hey, you don't stick to my face.
This thing hoodie is fine.
Yeah.
It's Balenciaga, yeah.
It's not Balenciaga, go.
Cost here. Yeah, she go take 3K right now. Yes.
Balenciaga, go. You move it. So at this point we already got to the market and we're just trying to like scan around and see where exactly we would purchase goods from, like which particular merchant we'll purchase goods from. Trust me, this place was smelling like goods, but then like yeah, it wasn't that bad. I was able to cope. My mother doesn't Mommy, how do you think they feel that they...
No. He's a man now.
No, he's a male now. He's a male. He has nothing like that. Meat now.
I give basic.
They withdraw.
Now meat now, no be say small. This one is nature, it's not short price now.
I don't know my food as
Wala bagay ba ano ko ba diyo sa ba kulay. Ha? Baji ba machine ba kulay. Baji ba machine ba kulay. Wala inte kan. Inte kan chocolate.
Let me see the strap. I didn't even notice that there was traffic. At this point, I really don't know why my father was carrying these goods because it was just pointless. Like, like what are you trying to do, sir?
What is that? Mama, is over. Mama, Mama, there.
Are you sure it's not because you just finished it?
I chef we take number.
Go to one make the commode.
Which one you
Do
want?
better, sir. Do better, sir. That's better, sir.
Okay. I might call my butcher make come.
So we've picked our goods and we want to butcher it. So we're waiting for
Leave the road now.
the person that sells the meat. Apparently, the person that sells the meat, take the token. The person that sells the meat has his own butcher. So we're waiting for his butcher to come and take the goods and butcher it. So I hope I'll be able to show you guys how this slaughter is, but it might be too graphic for some people. So in case I'm able to record it, I'll put a trigger warning so that you guys have a heads up. I'll just show you the after of the meat anyone.
Okay.
Because we have purchased goods, they gave us water and seats. In this life, we just buy goods and everything will be fine. Back in the car, we are heading to where they will slaughter the goats like I mentioned earlier. And yes, there's a new update. The person wanted to buy goods from apparently he and my dad had a conversation on the phone about a price, and we got here and all of a sudden we've picked goods. We even wanted to take it to get it butchered. Apparently you have to pay extra for it to be butchered, like 3,000, 4,000. That's not even an issue. But now the price he is telling my father is like 5,000, 6,000 naira more than the original price he had told my dad. So we are back to square one to look for goods again. So let's go and pick another goods. Also, to correct, it is a church thing. Please don't think my family has one because we are buying goods. Secondly, the goods is for church.
So that we go see money take kill am now. We no go buy and they carry and go house now. So that we go see money take kill am, Alaji. You know make I buy goods. Sell for me, pa. Sell for me now.
Believe what happened? We were working on our own JJLU and this man literally sneezed like releasing all the whole bacteria in his body on my mother. Someone was just telling me not to walk ahead of her. My God is big. Released all the whole bacteria from his mouth, his nose to on her. Jesus. Hey. We're still on the search for goods. Now this is looking like a journey of 1,000 miles. I did not see the umbrella that he said. No. Finally found goods. The sun is so hot. So we are finally here at the slaughter. Mommy. So I decided not to record the actual killing because it would be too graphic, and I don't even want any issue with YouTube as well because there'll be blood and stuff like that. So sadly, they're just gonna. So this is the slaughter. Down there they sell guinea fowl, chicken, turkey, poultry. Then here is where they slaughter meat. I really forgot that I was even vlogging myself. I bought small chops before I die. And it's so sweet. Yeah, busting. We're not done. We want to go to market to get pepper soup spice. Yeah. We are at another market.
Then the fresh one, no day. The one where you go break. No, that fresh small one where I pick here, daddy. You don't get her.
Which one are you? Are you sure? CG.
You want to snap it?
Yes, now. It's once in a lifetime, so. Yay! Someone literally put this chicken in my face and the chicken scratched my hand. I'm traumatized. It's like I'm 7 years old again when chicken in my grandma's house jumped on my body. Ah, Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Ah. I just got back. So this is conclusion of day 1. We went shopping, bought everything we needed for the pepper soup. Finally got the goat and everything, as you guys saw. So yeah, this is conclusion of day 1. Please like and share and subscribe. Day 2 is coming up, and this is going to be the main event, the main everything. I will show you guys how we cook the pepper soup and the whole event. So yeah, see you. So good morning, everybody. I totally forgot that I was recording a YouTube video. Ignore the way I look. I just woke up like hours ago. So today is the day. We are cooking already. So let me show you what we've been up to. I just remembered that I was meant to record now. So we got last minute order to make fried rice for a family that couldn't, meet up to time. So we took on the job. Yeah, we got paid for it. Show. So here we are making the sauce for the fried rice. It's looking all nice and sexy. This is the already pre-boiled rice for the fried rice. Looking all nice, and Jill say, yeah, this is our pepper soup with our goats. Yes, the almighty pepper soup that has plantain inside, has everything inside, and it smells so good. Guys, I've gotten already all dressed up. We are meant to wear our church shirt. We're meant to wear. Dad, you don't have church shirt. Also, I still let me eat before I die. This life is not hard. So I have jeans on, my shirt, redeem, have my hair done. I just put mascara. I didn't put any lip gloss or lip balm because I was going to eat, and I intend to eat a lot today. So what are you doing? What are you people doing? So as you can see, everywhere was sunny. We're all having fun. We're dancing, and the weather just put the fast one on us. very honest, nobody saw this coming. It was just so unexpected, and it was sad and disappointing because the kids wanted to play. I wanted to also take nice pictures, but I couldn't. It was really just sad. Very, very sad. Very sad. But yeah, this is what I had to eat. It was yummy. As you can see, Rain had stopped. Oh yeah, another in our church had his birthday. They surprised him, you know. At this point, Rain had stopped, so the women of the church decided to do musical chairs, and as you can see, they were busy dancing and having fun and trying to win. Everybody.
Future me. This is me when I was young.
I love you guys.
I love you too.
You guys look lovely. Guys, it's a wrap. We are finally done. And I had fun. I got to see my children. I got to play. I got to relax. So, thank you so much for coming along with me on a typical day in my life with my family. I know this is not all of my family. My siblings are in school. That's why you don't see them on my channel. But anyways, it was a blast. I had fun. I'm so tired. So yeah, peace out. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you.